Hello everyone, so good evening. I hope you all are fine. I'm also fine. So yeah, today was my holiday, so I'm gonna share with you what I did today. So yeah, first of all, I woke up around 8:35 to 8:40. After that, I did my daily chores. First of all, I had my lukewarm water. After that, I freshened up, did brush, and took bath. And after that, then I also did some exercise before bathing. After that, I had my uh, breakfast. It was aloo soyabeen ka sabzi and roti. After that, I was watching TV and also mobile. After that, I was talking with my friend Ananya. She's my best friend, so I was talking with her. She was also free, I was also free. As we had decided that after the examinations, we will talk a lot. So, yeah, we talked. After that, we watched TV. Not we, I watched TV. And after that, I was talking with my another friend Anushka. She is also like my neighbor, so our bonding is very good. So I was talking with her. After that, I had my lunch. It was chawal and sabzi, soyabeen sabzi only. After that, I was watching TV. After some time, in around 4 o'clock, I was craving for a cold coffee as summers are closer. Summers almost came. So I made cold coffee for me. This was the first cold coffee of this year because in the winters we always have hot coffee. So yeah, I made it very nicely with a viral coffee hack. It is like you have to take a plate, some coffee in it and some sugar. After that you have to put some lukewarm water. After that with a steel chunni you have to blend it. Like it after blending it for some time you will get a creamy texture. So it is also known as froth. So it will make your coffee very frothy, very creamy. And I also put it some of the Hershey's chocolate syrup. It made it more good. After that, I also had some mixture in the snacks around 5:10. After that, I was waiting that Anushka will call me, and after that, I will go to her home and we will play. After that, we will go to play with our friends, but unfortunately, she had to go outside for family dinner, so she told that we will go tomorrow. So I also said okay. So then I was watching movies. So now there is in TV animal movie is going on, so my mother is seeing that, I'm also seeing that. So Animal is a very viral movie till now. When Animal was released, from then till now it is very viral. And this was the world TV release, means this was the first TV release of this movie. So my mother was also excited to see it, so she is now seeing it. Unfortunately, she missed half an hour of the movie as she was outside for shopping. But after that, she is watching it. I will also watch it. And now, now I will have my dinner also. And after that, I will sleep. So yeah, tomorrow I have school. It is the last day of school tomorrow, so I am very happy. that I will meet my friends tomorrow, and tomorrow I think so there will be no study, so we will enjoy. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.